So if you're unable to do the Codmans or pendulum exercises due to issues with balance or getting dizzy from looking down, these are 2 other exercises that you can do to also get motion in that shoulder. So you're going to let that arm out of the sling. You're going to gently place it on a table or a countertop. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to walk backwards and just come down and let that arm stretch. You'll hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. You'll walk back up. And you'll do it again. Now remember, your arm is not moving, it's not doing any of the work. Your body is doing all of the work. Come back up. Then you can turn towards the side, get a different angle. Hold it for 10 to 20 seconds. Come back up. You'll do that about 3 to 5 times periodically throughout the day. Come down.